How to install a Plasma Cloud Wi-Fi access point in under 2 minutes. Today we're going to unbox and install the Plasma Cloud PAX1800 Wi-Fi 6 access point. Let's see how easy it is. Inside you'll find the PAX1800 access point, a mounting kit with backplate, screws and raw plugs, and your quick start guide. So just before you install, you want to make sure that your access point has been added to the network. So if you take your access point, look on the back and find the MAC address. Go to the Plasma Cloud console, click on access points and add AP. Type in your device name and MAC address and you're good to go. So for this install, we've decided to mount the access point on the wall and we're using PoE for power. So first thing, take the cover off the back of the access point, get your Ethernet cable and plug it into the PoE port on the back, just like that. Clip the device into place. Wait for the LED light to go blue and then it's powered up. Right, so now that we've successfully installed and powered up the Plasma Cloud access point, we want to make sure that it's active on the network. So if you go back to the Plasma Cloud console and click onto access points on the left hand side, then just hover your mouse over status and you can see that we're online. And as you can see from my phone here, we're all connected. So that's how you install a Plasma Cloud access point in under 2 minutes.